Hi, my name is Dominique and I'm the founder of a company called WIT. We are a company specialized in contract and vendor management. Now, when I talk to my clients, a lot of them ask me, well, Dominique, when does it pay off to do contract and vendor management, and on which contracts should I do contract and vendor management? Now, the answer is, of course, well, it all depends. On the one side, you have to look into your classification. And typically you see that contracts and vendors can be classified according to a couple of criteria. On the one hand, you have the value of the contract you have with the vendor, and on the other side, you have also the risk that you have with that vendor or contract. And in there, you will have some names to classify your different contracts and vendors. The ones that are lower in risk and lower in value would be named as the transitional or transactional or operational contracts. The ones with higher risk and higher value would be named as collaborative or partnership contracts. And it is on those collaborative and partnership contracts that you would go in a deeper vendor and contract relationship management that is based on communication, seeking a win-win opportunity, and looking to gather the most out of the relationship from a value leakage point of view. And that is also where WIT can help you, of course, with the identification of the different criteria and of the buildup of your classification matrix. Now, when looking into your classification matrix, we see that the way you classify your relationships depends on a couple of criteria. On the one hand, you have the value of the relationship that is higher for collaborative partnerships and long-term relationships. On the other side, the risk level is lower for transactional and operational contracts. Now, it is typically on those high value, high risk, and high exposure contracts that you will go deeper into vendor and contract management. And it is there that also WIT can help with the identification of the criteria for your company that determine the value and the risk for your classification.